Welcome back to the channel. Last week, I did a Bay Area real estate market summary. You can check that video here. Today, we're going a little more in-depth. We will look at the cities in the East Bay and see what's going on. This is for single-family detached homes only, no condos or townhomes. Let me know if you want that information by commenting below. Hi, my name is Mac Rogers. I'm a local real estate broker here in the East Bay. Let's start with the cities along the 880 side of the bay. The number of homes for sale is all over the place. We have a couple of places that are up in inventory like Alameda, up a big 46%. But in terms of real numbers, that's only 19 properties for sale. That's not a lot. Berkeley, on the other hand, is up 76% with 51 compared to only 29 last year. The rest of the cities are down or up marginally. Sales prices are all up except for Albany. Albany is down 11%. Check out Castro Valley, Hayward, and Newark, all up at least 30%. Castro Valley at 1.4 million, Hayward at 1.1, Newark at 1.5 million. And then, check out Union City, a huge 49% increase from 1,070,000 last March to 1,592,654. That is a lot. The number of homes sold is a bit all over the place. Alameda, Hayward, Newark are the only cities that were up. The rest of the cities all down in the number of homes sold for March 2022. Let's move on to West Contra Costa County and see what's happening over there. El Cerrito is the only city that is unchanged. The rest of the cities are all up in inventory, which is good, but not really. I mean, look at El Sobrante, up 157%. But that only represents 18 properties for sale. Then you have Hercules and Pinole with 12 and San Pablo with 16 properties for sale. Those are not big numbers. At least Richmond has 55 properties for sale. The sales prices are all up. I think this is still indicative of the lack of inventory. El Cerrito at 1.3 million. Hercules up 21% at 964,000 and San Pablo up 17% at 687,500. The rest of the cities up in single digits. The number of homes sold, only El Cerrito and El Sobrante are down 21% and 33% respectively. The rest of the cities are all up. Let's go to Central Contra Costa County and look at the number of homes for sale. Pleasant Hill and Walnut Creek are both down 7% and 38% respectively. Clayton, Concord, and Martinez all up double digits. Home prices are all up in Central Contra Costa County. Clayton up 15%. Concord up 17%. Martinez, Pleasant Hill, and Walnut Creek all up 13%. Look at Walnut Creek, 1.7 million. The number of homes sold, Pleasant Hill and Walnut Creek are both down, most likely because of less inventory. Clayton and Martinez up while Concord is unchanged. Moving on to La Morinda, the number of homes for sale is just ridiculously low. Lafayette has 13 properties. Moraga with just 3 properties. At least Orinda is up 55% at 17 properties for sale. Prices, Orinda, a bargain at 1.9 million, up only 4%. Moraga up 17% at 2.2 million. And Lafayette up 37% at 2.6 million. The number of homes sold, 29 for Lafayette, 13 for Moraga, and Orinda down 47% to only 16 properties. I guess no one wants to buy in cheap Moraga. Let's move on to the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale, only Livermore was up from 36 properties to 45 properties. That's up 45%. All other cities are down, with Alamo the biggest, down 52% to only 11 properties for sale. Sales prices are dizzying in the Tri-Valley. If you don't want to pay over $2 million, you can go to Dublin and Livermore. I remember when I first started doing these East Bay real estate market report when Livermore was the only city in the Tri-Valley that wasn't in the $1 million club. Welcome to the club, I guess. The number of homes sold, only Dublin was up by 34%, from 32 homes to 43 homes. The rest of the cities are all down, with Pleasanton and Downville down over 30%. And finally, the Delta, only Discovery Bay down in the number of properties for sale. This is a great sign if you're buying over there. More inventory. Prices in the Delta are all up, but nothing over $1 million yet. I think Brentwood and Discovery Bay will get there pretty soon. The number of homes sold, all up except for Brentwood, unchanged. That's the East Bay real estate market summary for April 2022. more homes for sale when compared to March of 2021. The number of transactions was also up compared to last year, and the median price for the East Bay is up to $1.2 million. Basically everywhere prices were up except for Albany. Albany was the only one that was down 11%. Like I said in my previous East Bay real estate market report, the rising mortgage rates, inflation, and the war in Ukraine probably won't affect sales price in the East Bay, and it didn't for March. Now, with mortgage rates even higher than last month and inflation closer to 8% and all this talk of a recession, how will that affect prices and the number of transactions in April? Prices will still most likely be up, but the number of transactions may go down a bit as a lot more home buyers are really starting to feel the pain of these mortgage rates hike as well as the effect of inflation. If you have any questions or comments, write them below and I'll respond to it. As always, would appreciate if you can hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.